Hey guys, so today I'm opening a present from my uncle. It looks like it's in a nice basket. Look, there's 6 little chicks. I'm gonna get one. So there is one with a feathered foot. I'm not sure which one it is though. Yeah, excuse me. I'm gonna hold this little one here. Here it is.
Mind the lights in his eyes.
Yeah. So soft. Now, do you want to hold one? They're all gentle. Normally I'm scared if they might bite me, but these I love. So, there are 2 plain ones, like the Easter ones that I would probably say, is this one and this one here. And these 2 are like plain, but with black stripes. This is a brown one with a couple black and brown stripes. This is a little ginger one here. It looks like me. It's just leave me alone. It's just like, leave me alone. Hi chicks, I love you too. That's all for today guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!